In this video, we will learn how to find company information using NexisUni. We will begin on the Company and Industry Information Library Guide, but you can also access NexisUni through the University Library's A to Z Databases page. From the Library Guide, click on the tab that says Public Companies. In the box labeled Company Profiles, you will find a brief introduction to NexisUni that includes text instructions on how to find company profiles. You may refer to these text instructions in addition to this video. Here we can click on the link for NexisUni to access the database. This link will bring you to the home page. From here, there are several ways that you can access company information. The simplest way is to navigate to Nexis Dossier. Click on Find a Company below the search bar on the home page, or click on Nexis Dossier from the drop-down menu at the top left of your screen. Either method will take you to the Find a Company page. Here, type the name of your company into the search bar, where it says Enter Company Name. Then press the search icon. Click on your company from the list of results. The company dossier begins with a brief overview of the company history, company hierarchy, and annual revenue. You can click on the Financial Overview tab from the menu on the left of the screen for more detailed income and other financial information from the past 3 years. For more detailed company information, click on the Company Information tab from the menu on the left of the screen. This will open a new drop-down menu that includes pages on brands, competitors, and company history. The dossier report also includes sections on the company's trademarks and copyrights, legal cases, and industry knowledge. You can also use NexisUni to access other sources that generate company reports. From the NexisUni homepage, click on the Companies tab at the top of the screen. Then, under the Content Type heading, click on Company Profiles. This page lists over 100 sources for company reports that you can explore. But I recommend using Huber's Company Records in-depth records. Enter the name of your company in the search bar at the top of the screen, then click on the search icon. On the results page, click on your company. The resulting record includes a wide range of information, including a description of the company's background and sales strategy, markets and competitors, and financial information for the past 5 years. You can also search the document for specific words. To save the report for later access, you can download it to your device, print it, email it, or save it to Google Drive or OneDrive. At the top of the report, you can click on the Export Citation button to generate a citation in APA, Blue Book, Chicago, or MLA format. Remember to double-check your citation for accuracy before including it in your research paper. If you would like additional help accessing company information on NexisUni, please reach out to the university libraries via email, phone, or chat. You can also schedule a one-on-one individual research appointment with a university librarian.